Wonderful day to each of you. It's me again, Teacher Vincent, and we are already now in Lesson 4, Graphing Functions. Graphing functions is the process of drawing the graph or curve of the corresponding function. Graphing basic functions like linear, quadratic, cubic is pretty simple. Graphing functions that are complex like rational, logarithmic, and more needs some skill and some mathematical concepts to understand. What is meant by graphing functions? Graphing functions is drawing the curve that represents the function on the coordinate plane. If a curve represents a function, then every point on the curve satisfies the function equation. For example, the graph below represents the linear function f of x equals negative x plus 2. So this is the graph. It represents as the linear function. So you have there, take any point on this line, say negative 1, 3. And let us substitute negative 1, 3, or that is xy. X there is negative 1 and y is 3. In the function f of x equals negative x plus 2. Note that it can be written as y equals negative x plus 2. So we are going to substitute now. The value of y is 3. So put that one here. Then x, value of x is negative 1. So you also put that one in here. Remember that there is negative here. So negative times negative. And then plus 2, you copy. That's it. So 3 equals 1 plus 2. 3 equals 3. Since 3 equals 3, the same, thus negative 1, 3 satisfies the function. In the same way, you can try taking different points and checking whether they satisfy the function. Each and every point on the line, in general called curve, satisfies the function. Drawing such curves representing the functions is known as graphing functions. Okay, don't forget that one. And you know what? We can actually determine this graph if this is a function or not. And that is by using the vertical line test. So, vertical line test, when we are going to put vertical line in here, there's only one x that will correspond the vertical line. Meaning to say that this graph is a function. Okay, so let's proceed to the next slide so that you will learn more. Okay, so you have there graphing a function using GeoGebra. But before anything else, we need to answer first this question. What is GeoGebra? So, GeoGebra is a free dynamic mathematics software that can be used to graph and evaluate functions. It has a clean interface and easy to use features that make it an excellent choice for general math instruction. These software programs can be used to supplement traditional teaching methods and can benefit students by providing them with a variety of ways to interact with mathematical concepts. So this is the logo of GeoGebra. This is the figure. So when you are going to see that logo, meaning to say that is the GeoGebra. This is a software and it will make your graph. You can graph a certain function using GeoGebra. You can graph it easily. No, with GeoGebra, everything will be easy. So that's it. The logo used by GeoGebra is shown in figure 1. So you're going to download that app to do the activities that follow. So you try to download that one right now, or you can go to the browser and click the GeoGebra. Okay, so we have here example. The given equation here is y equals 4x plus 2. Using the GeoGebra, this one is the result. Okay, so it will be easy for you because you're using the GeoGebra. Another example. Okay, you will be the one to graph now this given function. F of x equals negative 2x plus 3. Of course, that is with the help of GeoGebra. Okay, I will give you time. Just simply post this video if you are going to um, uh, take your time. If you're going to have to answer this one, just simply post this video and just play it back to check if your answer is correct. Okay, I hope that you have the same answer with me. Let's try to check. Okay, so f of x equals negative 2x plus 3. This is the answer. Do you have the same answer with me? Okay, I hope so that you have the same answer with me. Congratulations. So, but I want to let's have another example right now. So, let's have another example. Let's go to GeoGebra. Okay, everyone, look at here now. This is now the GeoGebra. This is what GeoGebra looks like. And in this one, this is the coordinate plane. You have there the vertical axis from 10 to negative 10, and you also have there the horizontal axis 16 and negative 16. So at least now you already have an idea, more idea about GeoGebra if still you are not familiar with it. So when we are going to have or to graph a certain function, let's say for example, g of x equals 3x minus 5. So we just simply put that one in here. So type g of x then equals 3x then minus 5. Okay, so here it goes. This is the graph. This is the result. G of x equals 3x minus 5. So with GeoGebra, it is very easy for you to graph the given function. So there's no hassle and all. So GeoGebra is really useful nowadays. So let's be thankful of those people behind this software because everything is not so challenging because of the software they have invented. So I hope that you learned something today and that learnings will be shared also to other people so that the society will improve and let's help each other. Thank you so much everyone for listening and God bless. Goodbye.